Hi guys, I have an idea. I had this idea for almost a year and I'm finally having time to doing this project. It all has to do with my sketchbook because I kind of like bringing my sketchbook just around to when I'm having an idea, I can just draw it inside. But currently my sketchbook situation is that I have my book and then I have this bag, and yes, I know it's a very cute bag and I really do love it, but it's just a total mess. Here are a lot of pens inside, stuff just all put in, and I have an idea to organize it in a way better way, and I think it can look very cool. And also I hope that I can bring this idea yeah. Oh my god. Okay, just wait. Oh shit, guys. Well, this is my new sander and I just put it like 10 minutes ago to this place. Before I had it there, for the video I put it in here so that I have more space over here. And the mirror just fell on it right here. Oh my god, do you see the scratch? Oh shit. Oh no! But hopefully it still works, I think so. I'm very happy that it didn't break anything. But oh my. Okay. Let's go back to the video. Oh my god. Okay. After this interruption, I think we can finally start doing it. First I want to show you what I want to build. So this is my pen and paper box. I want it to be a wooden box with two spaces. With the down space where I can put my sketchbook inside, and on top I want to build a place for all my pens so that I can just put them loose inside here. And another thing is that I want to make it that this part, like the top of the box, I can open it so that when it opens I can put my sketchbook on it and draw there. So that's the idea. I have some ideas for the hinges, but we will see if this works. But I also think that we all know that there might be a plan, but mostly, or in my case mostly, it will be totally different than my plan, but we'll see. Okay, let's start. So let's start with the wood. Of course I've got thin wood because I don't want it to be heavy if I want to have it with me. I got two pieces of 9mm plywood, the bottom and the top. And for the second layer I have like this thin, it was from the back of a wardrobe. So I think you know this, like very thin MDF. Wait. Ah, here it is. Okay guys, let's go. Our bottom and our top, and because it wasn't quite the same size, there were like some millimeters which I couldn't per size cut with my saw. I had an idea. I put these pieces together and put them then here in this, what is it? In this thing where the piece of wood down here, so it's even. And then I used my biggest chisel and just precisely take the material which was too much apart, and it worked quite well. Of course it's not perfectly the same size, but these are not even a millimeter apart, so it's okay for me. Moment of truth. Oh, yep, it fits. I mean, it's very Spax. No, Spax, I think. It's perfect. Well, so I don't think that I even have to glue it. But look at it. Nice, great, great, great. Okay, cool. This is, okay, perfect. It would have been very smart if I did those lines at the end when I had all pieces, because I could have brought all of the pieces exactly on one side so that this gap is like exactly the same size. But since I have to do the front and the back, I need to change my tiny saw again, so it will be a bit different. So my plan is to firstly do the front and the back, then try to do the gap, and then I will do the second bottom. Okay, I really do mess up the front piece. First I cut at the front and then I did the wrong size. But it should be okay now. Let's do this. Oh my god. Oh shit. Wait, damn it. I made it too small. So I need another piece. Okay, I just need a bit of help to get it inside because it's very Spax. Oh wow. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm already very happy. And I think this mistake, this was awesome because I think it looks incredible. I wanna try it out. Let's just saw. Yep, it fits. Oh wow, perfectly, guys. Oh my god, this looks so cool. And let's see for the pens. Oh my god, this is perfect. Okay. Nice. Okay, it's the next morning and I had an idea and I want to bring it to life. First of all, look at that beauty. Oh my god. Okay, my idea was that I want to bring all the edges I have. I want to get there some angles so that it's not black side and on top is like the other material. I wanna to cut an angle here so that the black is turning into the angle into the other material. I don't know if I can explain it that good, but I think it will look amazing. It's a design decision, but I think it will look amazing. So if I'm stopping it, I'm just doing it right now just with my hands and my German hobel. Because when trying out a big piece made a backflip on me just in my stomach, so it's enough for me with the saw. And the big machines, I'm doing it all by hand. And if you have any English vocabulary for my hobel, just let me know. And now we're doing it old school because my tummy really do hurt. Box is nearly ready, and it's just the top which is missing, and for that I have a special material, this one. So I wanted to put it on top of it because I think it will look just quite cool. The thing I'm thinking about is I think it would look way cooler if I, instead of putting it on it, if I put a bit of material out and then put it inside so that it's plan. Is it plan? So that is just one surface. But this is very, yeah, I think it's worth it. Okay, so let me first bring this to the right size and then put it inside. Normally I would do this outside, but it's totally snowy. Too cold for me. So it's the first time I'm using my angle grinder inside of my workshop. Hopefully nothing happens. paper box is finally ready and I love it. I really do love it. I think it looks incredible. I also like the surface. I kind of was thinking, oh, did I mess it up? But yeah, I really do like it. And I think it was definitely worth it to cut all the edges a bit edgier. Not straight, but edgier. I don't know if this is for going away and taking it with me because it already is pretty heavy. But my sketchbook and my pens have a home now and it really is stunning. I really do like it. And two tiny things. I want to change the hinges because they are not holding well now, but they are not holding well. Now it holds up the top, but it just fell down. So I think I just want to turn them around. And secondly, I thought of putting something on this side so that I really can close it. But maybe I will just leave it like that. Okay guys, so I'm interested in your thought about the design decision. Let me know in the comments and I hope you enjoyed this video. And now I have to clean this mess up, but it's worth it because I finally got my pen and paper box. See you soon, bye!